Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Motorola G05 phone. For this operation, the first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. The phone must be completely turned off. Do not clean the phone while it is on, because you could damage it. We also need a brush with flexible bristles, but the bristles should be medium hard or soft, because if they're too hard, you might scratch the phone, and that wouldn't look very nice. We also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, either with a diffuser or simply in a container. It doesn't really matter, it's just that in a regular container it will evaporate quickly, while in a diffuser it will take a bit longer before it evaporates. It's 100% alcohol, so it will always evaporate. Unless it's in some metal or glass container that's tightly sealed, then it will simply last longer. So if our phone is completely turned off, we can now sprinkle it. First of all, you can buy this brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush, but it won't be as convenient and won't refresh it as well as a brush that's specially made for this purpose. We moisten the brush. We take the phone, insert the brush as far in as it will go and move it to the other side. To clean it thoroughly, we need to repeat this operation about 10 times in one direction. Otherwise, it won't get clean. The first few times, just soften the dirt, and only after that does the dirt start coming out of the socket. Always in one direction, as I said, because if you do it back and forth, right, left, the dirt will just move around inside the socket, but won't want to come out. Now in the other direction, so again, insert it all the way from the other side and move it in that direction. And again, do it 5 or 10 times, depending on how dirty the socket is. To clean it properly, just as it should be. We repeat this operation 2 or 3 times in each direction for sure, and at the end we can also use a little plastic tool like this, with a tip shaped like a small hook. This allows us, if there's any dirt collected in the corner of the socket, to simply hook it out. So we insert it into the socket, push it all the way in, and then pull it upwards. Do the same on the other side of the socket, push it all the way in and pull it up, and repeat on the opposite side as well. So we slide it along the bottom and pull it up, and on the other side we do the same, slide it along the bottom and pull it up. If there was anything there, this little hook would simply pull it out for us. In our case there was nothing there, so it's fine. So after the whole procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the socket, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it normally. It's very important not to, turn on the phone while there's still alcohol inside, because it could cause a short circuit or some other problem. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.